Alright, we have a Santa and we have a mouse. Oh! The kids' nanas made them their costumes this year. How cute. We're going to the fall festival at Jack's school. Encouraged to dress up, and we have a mini Santa here. Don't we? We have a mini Santa right here.
If you need to take off your mask, don't take it all the way off. Just take it and set it on top of your head. So you just do like this, okay? Because it's attached to your ponytail, okay?
Okay, we're at Jack's school fall festival. I have a mouse. Oops. I have a mouse. I have a Santa. And we're going in. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, if your shirt is so bad. This thing just got away from me. I'm so sorry. Do you want to make sure? It's a good thing they were on my property anyway, right?
So cool.
Is this a sticker or is it?
Should be a sticker.
I'm going to the tree to make it. I need a sticker on it.
Please.
What? Mom?
Yeah. Oh, one got stuck, huh? So leave it alone. It's okay.
I want that cat one so bad.
Yeah.
Can I have that cat one?
You can make a cat one.
Hold on just a second. I'm putting something in there right now. Okay? Get it line and you can go up there.
Woo, good job.
Can we go over there now?
Yeah. Wait, go one more time. Lyren's going one more time. You go one more.
For once, I can say that it is not me.
What?
Look.
Oh, that looks really cool. That looks yummy. You excited?
Hey. Oh. It looks so good. Sit up. Put your head up. Oh, you look amazing. And what's tomorrow?
Happy birthday.
Your happy birthday?
Yeah.
Yay, 21.
21.
21. I'm excited for you. Let me get you a chocolate milk.
Yeah.
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 You want a cookie?
I need, yes.
You
I
need-
need the bathroom.
Okay, I'll tell Mum, okay?
There's little you. This is one of the things that... This is one of the reasons vlogging is cool. Yeah.
I can't wait for Ozzy to have these
Yeah.
to look back on. Because I wish I had them.
Right. Look at you, Lyren. She's saying she's sad. See how she's talking at that age.
I got one too.
Yeah.
I like Lyren.
A little bit, huh?
Look, baby Lyren.
It's Jack. Look, Jack, you're on the ground out there.
He's a big boy.
You're a baby.
I tried to run away.
You did.
I don't know what Mommy's hair's doing.
Who's here?
Mine.
Oh.
Am I with you, Mom?
I do love you.
She said, am I with you?
Oh, yeah, you're with me. Sorry. Tally ho!
Why do you need masks?
Because it was during COVID.
Mom, I want to go to Target to get a dinosaur already.
Yeah.
I want to get ready.
We're not, well, I can't go to Target today.
You guys gotta earn your stars. To
Yeah, you
buy
gotta
those
earn
things.
stars to get stuff like that. Nikita and I were in here hanging out with Ozzy. And all the kids came in, and an old vlog popped up on YouTube as a recommendation. And now we're all piled up in the bedroom having a watch party. It's okay, Keez. Oh, just don't stand on the bed.
Ew, what is that?
She's making soup.
I was making soup.
I like the gas suit.
You like it, Keez?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, look at little Aiden.
Aww, you're so little.
Aiden, I look much tall. Aiden was on my side.
Yeah.
No.
Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna find one that Leerin's in.
Oh dear, this is not the most flattering for me to start the vlog, but it's fine. So and yes, I am that hot mess mom that drops her kids off in the car line wearing her robe. Okay, it's fine. Anyway, just got Jack dropped off at school. Keez has an IEP meeting today at 10:30, so Asa and I are going to that. And I don't know what else we're doing today. Just kind of getting through it, I guess. And then Thursday, Jack has his fall festival at school, which we're really excited about. And then Friday night is Keys' birthday, so we're pumped. Anyways, I'm going to get in the house and get breakfast going and coffee made. Keys is home today because there is a half day at his school. It's not even really a half day because they get released like way before the half day. But because we have his IEP meeting today, he's just gonna stay home and hang out with Kia while Asa and I go to the IEP meeting. Yeah, fun day. And for those of you who don't know, like if you're new, whenever I refer to someone called Asa, that is my ex and all of the kids' dads. Well, except Ozzy. Anyway, I love you guys and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, made it back home. I got Keys some coffee made and me some coffee because I very much need coffee. Hold on Keys, I'm gonna go get your cup. I gotta wash his cup. Okay, so this is Keys' cup. You guys, he uses the Contigo cups. We have used these for years and they are amazing for him. Anyway, I just make him some coffee. He literally just does coffee. I don't have honey, Betty, but he prefers honey, obviously, but I have sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar and fill it with whole milk, and that's his coffee. All right, and Keys asked for eggs for breakfast. So I'm making him 4 eggs, and we'll do hash browns or something too. And Keys, and all of us really in this house, if you haven't tried it, guys, lemon pepper on your eggs. Bomb. And there's your coffee. Is that good? Yeah. Can you taste it? I think I put enough sugar in it. Is that good? Oh, it's dripping. Is that yum?
Yeah.
Good.
Your hair's tickling his face.
That's what I'm making. Happy birthday to you. You excited, bud? Yeah?
Hey, look at your friends on YouTube.
You say hi?
Hi,
Say,
friends.
I'm 21.
It's over.
21. Woohoo!
High five, man.
Woo! He wanted to sit in the front seat for his birthday, so Mama got booted to the back, but that's okay, huh?
I'm so good. Slow down front.
Yeah, you deserve to sit in the front if you want, huh? 21. Made it to Keys' favorite restaurant. Buffet 88. Buffet 88, man. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're just waiting on Daddy now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got on his purple necklace. I'll show you guys.
Party?
He had a purple party at school.
Of course it was a purple party.
Of
What
course.
other kind of party would it be?
And his hair looks so good.
Why?
Hey, bud.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
You having fun? Dancing, man. You're silly.
Why was that? What am I in?
Maybe he said soft. I think we know.
Oh, Bubba.
I want to give him a French fry so bad.
No.
No, babe.
This is his French
I
fry.
need a French fry. I think he needs one, Mom.
Nope, Keys. You're gonna knock your drink.
No.
I think he needs a French fry, Mom.
Yeah.
This liquid diet is getting old. He's so excited.
Look at her face.
What, babe? They went to
What?
He's trying to tell me.
Oh, they went to make a birthday.
Well, wait till they get here, Mother.
They're playing it over the radio. Listen, Keez, it's a song for you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keez. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keez. Happy birthday to Keez. 'Extended version. Happy birthday to you. You can blow them out, kids. Yay! Happy birthday, bud. Keep blowing.
Right here. Right there. There you go.
Good job.
Some on his
New CDs.
Yep, Hall & Oates. And see, like, what's her face? That's I love rock and roll.
Oh, nice, Keez.
All right, Keys, move that. I'll read it to you in a minute, baby. Okay.
Presents, presents.
All right.
What else?
What'd you get?
Should we turn it on its side?
Here we go.
Maybe it's Keez.
It's not even.
Oh, there's candy. There's a lot of candy just in the
Okay. Here, I'll help you. Well, let's see. Let me see if I can
Stuff that right on one thing.
Stop, baby. Yeah, just rip the bag. It's fine. Here, take it off of your nose. All right. I can't. Can you hold it?
What do you got? What is it?
So this is a kids kitchen set. It has a cutting board. It has knives, and they're like safe for you. You can't cut yourself or hurt yourself with them. So you can help cook in the kitchen. You can chop vegetables.
Is that cool?
You can chop vegetables. We got a little kids kitchen set.
He loves to cook, that boy.
And you have this.
Weird thing.
What is it? I have to open it at home.
Is it math?
Should I just take this home?
Just tell him what it is.
Is it the doodle thing?
Play-Doh.
Oh yeah, this is the Play-Doh. So you have a whole thing
So
of
when
Play-Doh
we're not
just for
cooking,
you.
when we're not cooking real food, we use the Play-Doh to play with.
That way you can play with your toy with the Play-Doh if we're not cooking, right?
They're not toys, they're knives. I left a message on the board for him.
Look at this. So this is a, oh, it's not there anymore.
Oh, because you
This
pressed
is
the
a
button.
little drawing pad.
Dad, look at me.
I see you. You're making a mess. I don't know, Daddy's gonna love that.
Dad, I was making a mess.
Hi, Keez.
You have a sneak nose.
And then to erase it,
Is that cool? Push the button. You do it. Push the button. Push it. Right here.
Oh,
It's gone.
is the tag on it?
Kind of. You write on it.
Oh, how does it
Clean in the kitchen. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right.
look at what you're
All right.
doing.
This one's from Nana and Nathan.
Keep pulling on
Don't
it.
stop.
I'm helping him. Hey, I don't see half.
Use both
That drink's
hands.
gonna go flying in a second.
Use both hands. There you go. Now you can hold it still.
I'm helping him.
Nope.
There you go. Grab right there.
Pull.
Oh,
Now you
job.
flip it upside down to open it.
All right. Flip it this way.
And he should be able to pull that open himself.
Blind. I have no idea.
I'm not seeing.
hold up his stuff for him. Show him.
He's like, look at that.
Ooh, that's nice.
That's soft.
It's red. A blind Nazi?
They're all soft.
I don't get it.
I'm not filming very good. My arm's getting sore. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, now I get it. You had to enunciate it separately because I was like, I don't understand. That's the
What do you call an autistic kid with a gun?
in jail.
Mimi.
Can you check that with your phone? Keys, you like your shirt?
Yeah.
Those are so. Say thank you to me.
It goes directly into, it doesn't go into a vein, it goes into your skin. And then that takes hot some of your blood sugars. And it's all liquid, so anytime it goes real low, real high, I'll get on there. So I can check it to see what to do.
So we are at a neighbor's house who had to go out of town for an emergency, and we are watching her little birdies.
These are babies.
These ones are babies.
They're still having to get some hand feeding
They have to be spoon fed.
because Mama needs to be locked away at the moment. Because she keeps breeding. They do eat seed and stuff, but this is just a little top up if they needed it.
Yeah.
And they're not super wanting it. I'm sorry, sweetie, did I forget you? One of these is called Jake.
Jake?
Jake.
Jake.
Jake, Finn. I think this one here is Nugget. Oh no, Nugget is on you. Oh no, Nugget's in the cage.
Oh, which one is this one?
I don't know. There's Finn, Jake, and Nugget, and I don't know the fourth one.
They're so pretty.
And there's 2 more rooms full of birds.
And now I want birds.
Okay, just come on.
Hello, babies.
Hi. Hello, pretty ones.
Hi, babies.
Hi.
Yep, Mama's in her room. Good. Try this.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Yeah, so pretty. And we're home. Hi. We have a very awake little guy.
He's unusually awake. I thought we would get home and he would pass out.
He's been awake since 4:30. It is now 8:15. Wow, you're gonna sleep good, right?
Look at him. He's so active. He's like ready. He did really good at the
He
restaurant.
did so good.
Keys had an amazing birthday. He got some pretty cool gifts.
There isn't going to be a lot of footage while we were there because it's very hard to film a party. It's very hard to film a party when there's people at the table that don't want to be on YouTube.
Yeah, there's my older girls were there and they don't want to be on YouTube, so I'm trying to be like respectful and not film them, and trying to hold a baby, pass a baby back and forth. We
Eat
have food.
food. We're trying to
cut
feed the
cake and give
kids.
it to kids and get Keys presents and keep everybody clean. It was
hot as hell.
It was so hot, you guys. The restaurant was like
Stifling.
upper 70s.
And she doesn't feel the hot, like, immediately.
Neither. If I'm hot, you know it's hot.
Yeah.
Because I don't ever get hot. I will wear a jacket in the middle of summer. That's how badly
She
I
does.
run cold.
It's ridiculous. Anyway, we're going to go. It is Friday night. I'm going to probably upload this tomorrow morning because I don't have the brain power right now. But we love you guys.
Love you. Sorry about the fussy baby.
Say bye.
Say hi,